Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik robot interface connected to LED, switch, mini motor, sonar, power motor and photo transistor. Connected also to serial port, or more appropriate via serial port connected to computer for output. For this project it is programmed using BASIC, old computer programming language, but is still functioning with some limitations. To program it, I have to load it into random access memory, the working memory, which means power off is all gone. And I need to use Wine, Windows emulation, because this BASIC is developed for Windows, old Windows, because the compiler interpreter is developed in 2007 and right now is 2019. Anyway, I have to upload it, select the proper memory to go, because there are three types of memory: flash 1, flash 2 and RAM. And after selecting memory it starts. So let me just do that. Right now it is uploaded. I will show you soon how. And then I missed my opportunity, so once again 1, 2, and now it is running. 3-color LED, motor, power motor, and then I will have to use this ruler with it, including a battery pack to select the proper speed. And there you go again, right unto the start of the whole algorithm. And this one only affects the speed of this. Well, it doesn't really affect it, but it has effect during. Anyway, what I'm also using is, apart from the minicom minicom serial terminal for this one, Octave, to put things in matrix for data acquisition. And there things didn't quite work out last time. So let's see how that does work out, hopefully soon. Alright, if you're watching this for the first time, this is the screen where I work with most of the time. So the same setup. Then one window for the basic code, one window for minicom serial interface. And here I get everything that the program from the interface sends, compilation and upload window. And last but not least, Octave, where I put things since last time into this vector. A vector of 22 bytes. And the problem is that the bytes, which are, so this is bytes, this is the command to convert from bytes into readable ASCII. ASCII is an acronym for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this, what you can read, is all ASCII. However, when I put the ASCII in here, I get bytes again. Not nice. So what I found in another project is that I can convert all these elements back to a second vector. But why would I have to do that? I mean, one conversion should be enough. Anyway, right now, if I start this program in Octave and let the minicom run, then I get garbage, rubbish. So I interrupt this one for now, and I run this one. Go here. Oh, right. This is supposed to be, in my idea, a transposition. So vertical to horizontal, horizontal to vertical. But this doesn't work here. So now this does work, but as you can see, this works with bytes. The ASCII numbers, where character char converts the numbers to the corresponding ASCII letters, digits, and whatever the read signs, letter signs are. So if I want to make this better readable, then I do it like this, and I say, okay, I want V. So let me do that. First interrupt. Yep. Then start again. Now I get this and only this, so that is in itself not bad. I interrupt again and I say, okay, now transpose. And this is what it's doing, transposition. Just that I don't want it like this. So I will have to do it like this, V2. And I have, unfortunately, to create a V2. In this case, I can call it any time except for V. Zeros, 22, 1. 22, 1, and then like this. I think this should be the way to go then. I stop this, so let's test. And this will of course be just one character. Testing. One k 1, 2 times 1. Oh wait, this has to be V. Yeah, this is better. And there is all zeros except for the first and then the second. Yep. So this I have to continue, and this is going to be not nice. Because if I wanted to do in once, I have to repeat all this and put all characters in here. So first I have to read everything from the serial port, put it, then I just as well can leave character away, because it's being converted into anything but character, and then convert character here. I think that is the way to go. And then I can play with the whole hardware and see whatever difference it makes. Alright, so I have enlarged everything a bit. Well, everything, the Octave window anyway. So I have now removed char for before data, and I've put it in front of this one. So everything that's in here is supposed to be converted to ASCII and then filled into V2. And they're both equally as long. Not tested yet, so there we go. Pressing F5, and then is anything coming in? No, of course not, because I stopped minicom. But I don't see anything happen either. V2 is oh, this is not nice. No, this is not what I expect. Forward, 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 fast forward. No, this is not what I expect at all. Quit. This is not the way what I expected to happen. So what is happening to data? But I first have to, okay, quit. Syntax error. So why is that exactly a syntax error? Parse error. Ah, wait, I think I know. Because I probably will have to do this. And because this is what I did last time and that did work, so a shortcut is not working out, unfortunately. Most unfortunately. One, two, three, four. Yes. So this will be then 5. And 6 with VE. And then it goes off screen. So what I better do is put this here, and then after 4 I say okay, this is better readable, then I know what I'm doing, I see what I'm doing. Always nice to know what you're doing. And so on and so forth. So I will do this off screen. So everything done now, except that I haven't tested it yet, so let's do that. And it says immediately syntax error, so this means that I have to put everything on the same line, apparently. Let's see if this is going to work out. And unfortunately it looks like it doesn't. Oh, that is too bad, because the last time I did this, it did work. I got ASCII. So the big question is, why is this not working out? Okay, what I do is V3. Not really necessary. Let me put it here. V3 1 VE is character V1 VE. This should work out. And I could even make this V2. So let's see what that brings. See? This is what I mean. It returns into a very nice ASCII symbol. So if this works out, why doesn't, so this does work out. Then I only can conclude that I have to put char in front of everything. Alright, let me try that one. Although, no. I first have to look into another script where I put multiple characters as well. Let me check that one. Right, figured that out. I have to use only V2 assign because it is already a 22 column vector with one row, so everything is assigned to it. And then I cannot transpose here directly, I have to transpose here. So what I see now is that X V is still receiving everything in byte, but the rest is here converted to character, to ASCII, and that is what I need. So I can also put a semicolon here so I don't see it, and then I only see exactly what I see in minicom, being ASCII. So once again, and now I can shrink this window again. Run this. So let me press and shine here, and look what you see on screen. That is exactly what you need to see. Although I prefer not to see ANS as answer. And now what I want to see, because this I can also do in minicom, although that is currently disabled. But if I now press X and I want to see V2, this is what V2 is, and then with transpose, this is what now is in V2. No phototransistor. And that's only 22 bytes, 22 characters. What does happen is two T's, while this T should be an O. Apart from that, this script works. So if I now start minicom again, I have to change speed. And there we go. And this is basically exactly the same, except that in minicom all data goes away, and here I can keep it. The only thing is that if I want to keep more data, I will have to increase the size of this one. So let's say I increase this to 66. And start again, then this will become gibberish. Alright, 66 is already sent and received. So now I say, okay, I need V2. Oh, that is too bad. There's very little received. That is not what I thought that would happen. On the other hand, V is 22. So the point is, of course, that I only fill V with 22 records, with 22 characters. And then I print it. So 44 of them are 0. And that is of course what I see here. 44 are 0. What I can do about it is that I say V2 44.1 is well, let's just say exclamation mark if it accepts that. So let's see if that works out. And then print V2. So then I put here semicolon to not print it. If this works out. No, it doesn't. Syntax error. And there's no Q in it, so let's see if this works out. Q undefined. Right. Now I'm just trying things. Oh, now look at this. This is exactly what I like to see. It is indeed 60 long and ending with a Q. So I end this and I say okay, V2. And you have a whole lot of characters ending with a Q. And that's what it, so now I know that, oh by the way, 44, that's not right, it is 66. So 66 one should be Q. Running again. Quit. Yep, and then V2. And that's how it works. So now I can go back to the algorithm to see if I can still do a few different things, although time will be limited. Alright, as a last thing, I intended to use the switch, which is the switch right here, to put it in here and break the while, and do the same with this while, except that there is no ordinary break in BASIC, not in this version. I have to use break for, and that is not without a risk, in the sense that I have to reprogram everything, and I honestly do not want to do that. But that doesn't that doesn't hold me from putting it in. So if I say if input 1 is 1, although now I am getting unsure, because here I have an equal to and not is, and usually this works with a double equal to. Let me see if that is true. So print input while. And let's see that one. Alright, so this I have to compile. And then of course I also have to power cycle. Alright, that looked to me like successful compilation. No, syntax error at line 44. Ah, okay. So it has to be a single equal to sign. Alright. So that is correct, which is also different from, for example, Python or C or C++. Alright, that was another successful compilation, I think. Parenthesis error at line 52. Yeah, correct. Although, yeah, there's no parenthesis except for this one in here, in this if condition. So let me just remove this. No unnecessary things in there. See, regarding this, BASIC is in this case different than other languages, and that causes confusion. Alright, that was a compilation. Now it is successful. End of compiling. So Yes, that is correct. Now upload. Done. Now I have to once again select the memory. Start. That was this one. And now I need to find input while. Oh, I have to press, of course, for input while. Yes, input while. It's very nicely detected. Very good. And that is exactly what I wanted to have. So, this works nicely. Although this isn't that nicely, but it works, and this works. And with that, I wrap it. And that is it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your appreciation by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron and may have your name mentioned. All information you can also find under this video and on my website, and my URLs also listed under this video. Going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.